Hello and welcome for the today's new session of Scouting and Guiding. Today we are going to learn about the patrol system. The aim of the patrol system is to develop the skills to be an effective member of them. The patrol system was introduced by the founder Baden Powell. It is used to train guides and scouts in the skills of government, communication, group management and leadership. What is patrol system and the benefits of working in a patrol system? The patrol system is the unit of scouting, whether for work or for play, for discipline or for duty. An invaluable steps in character training is to put responsibility onto the individuals. It is up to him to take hold of and to develop the qualities of each boy in his patrol. It should be a big orderly but practice it works. How many scouts are there in a patrol? There are 8 scouts in a patrol. The building block of the troop is the patrol. The patrol size may vary, but its ideal patrol size is 8 scouts, although it could be ranged from around 6 to 10 and still be functional. Any smaller or bigger and the patrol dynamic changes greatly doesn't work. What are the principles underlying the patrol system? The principles underlying the patrol system is leadership skill, teamwork, responsibility, cooperation, confidence, and fun and friendship. What is patrol yell? A yell is a cheer used by scouting and the other groups to show their enthusiasm and group spirit at various meetings. The scout patrol will often yell to celebrate the winning of a competition or to announcement of his finished task. Now we are going to see some patrol yells. The first, the leader will say BRAVO and the patrol will say bravo, bravo, bravo. Other, the leader will say be prepared, shout, shout, shout. The remaining patrol members will say tenderfoot, second class, first class, scout. These are some samples or examples of patrol yell. You can make the yells as per your patrol. Patrol emblems. Every patrol chooses an animal for scouts and a flower for girls, guides. B. It's an emblem. The patrol animal is not just a handy way of identifying a patrol. The scouts should take pride in their animal and strive to intimate its positive characteristics. Patrol flag. The flag should be bear the patrol animal and the name of the troop. But the design of how this appears is up to the patrol. The easiest way to make the flag is probably to cut the patrol design shapes out of felt and a sew this with a sewing machine on a nylon or a cloth pennant. The size of the patrol flag is 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters in a triangle shape, and in the center there should be a logo or emblem of their patrol. Patrol corner. The patrol corner is where we put interesting and interactive documents and that will interest scouts and adult leader to alike is known as a patrol corner. Patrol in council. When a patrol gets together to discuss and take a decision why they want to do, how much to be paid, as sub should be where they would like to camp, etc. It is called a patrol in council. There shall be a patrol in council for every patrol. The patrol in council shall consist of all members of patrol. The patrol leader shall be the chairman. The patrol in council shall deal with the affairs of the patrol. Court of honor. There shall be a court of honor of every troop. The court of honor shall consist of troop leader, assistant troop leader, and patrol leaders. Second may be admitted as a member of the court of honor except when matters of disciplines are dealt with. Troop leaders, assistant troop leaders, or one of the patrol leader is elected and shall function as a chairman and one of the member is elected and shall function as the secretary. The court of honor shall plan the activities and deal with the internal matters of the troop and also matters of finance and discipline. The scoutmaster and the assistant scoutmaster shall be act as a advisors. So this is the information regarding the patrol system. Myself Bimal Vyas, Assistant Leader Trainer Scout, thanking you, and we'll meet again with a new thing in our next video. Thank you all.